Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As summer approaches, sunscreen inevitably comes to our mind. Yet I feel that sometimes sunscreen do not really work. Whenever I go for a beach vacation, I always make sure to reapply a sunscreen every 3 hours. But somehow I always end up with the worst sunburn ever. It is so frustrating. That's when I was searching on the internet for a solution and I found something completely new. Drinkable sunscreen. Sounds crazy, right? No, I'm not talking about chugging your regular sunscreen. What I'm talking about is the Skin Protect by Setu, India's first ever drinkable sun shield. It is such a revolutionary product that protects your skin from UV rays inside out. So I've been using this for a while now, and trust me guys, this has shown me results that a normal sunscreen has never shown me. Let me show you something extremely shocking. This is a real case of a 69-year-old truck driver who was driving for almost 28 years with his left side of the face exposed to sunlight. Just look at the difference between both the sides of his faces. Did you notice that how the left side, which was exposed to sunlight for 28 years, has wrinkles, sagging skin, also has pigmentation, while the other side looks noticeably younger? This is called dermatophillosis, which is a clear sign of how UV rays can really speed up skin aging. Because, as a matter of fact, sunlight penetrates through windows, gets into your skin over time, which is why the left side of his face aged much faster. Increased UV exposure causes oxidative stress, which further results in photoaging. It leads to hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, sagging of the skin, loss of firmness and tightness in the skin. So we need to protect ourselves from UVA, UVB and UVC rays. Now this drinkable sun shield fights suntan, it reduces UV damage and also reduces the occurrence of redness. It also combats hyperpigmentation, and let's not forget that this is clinically proved to increase UV tolerance by 30%. This damage is not immediately visible or within few weeks. It gradually shows onto your skin in the form of wrinkles, crow's feet, sagging skin, or maybe some lines on the mouth area, which is called smile lines, etc. That's why I strongly believe that just applying a sunscreen isn't enough, because sweat, even water, mist, spots can leave gaps in terms of protection. We need something stronger and more consistent, which is where the Setu Skin Protect comes in. Tear open a sachet, empty it into 150 ml of water, stir well and sip after breakfast or lunch or any other meal. Also, no need to apply every 2 hours, because this gives sun protection for 24 hours. This contains Neutroxin, which is a plant-based ingredient. It protects your whole body from sun damage and also increases the UV tolerance. It also contains glutathione, which increases the skin radiance by reducing hyperpigmentation. This also has Age Defense Blend, which is a mix of antioxidants which reduces the oxidative stress and also increases healthy aging. And the Setu Skin Fuel Blend nourishes the nutrients to enhance the skin's vitality from within. I've been using it consistently for about 2 months now, and I'm able to enjoy visible improvements in my skin's health and also reduced signs of photoaging. However, I feel that results may vary on individual skin types depending on how the skin is. But ideally give 8 to 12 weeks for the results to show. Also, this leaves no white cast and this is absolutely hypoallergenic. So if you're looking for better sun protection, I highly recommend this. All the product links will be mentioned in the information box below for you to check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye.